Okay. Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today it's me, Ella, and I'm playing Hole in the Wall. As you've already...
Don't forget me!
Hold on. And if you don't know that I have actually done a video on this.
With my feelings.
I'll introduce you in a second. And if you're probably wondering, why the hell is there a mirror? It's not a mirror, it's my twin. She's being really sarcastic.
So I'm not a twin, why would you think that?
But you are my twin, so shut up. Oh, I'm dead! You dead?
I'm not. I'm about to fall away, I'm not about to be.
So basically, that's the game. Let's spectate her.
Oh god.
So this is her. Yeah. We have different skin tone. You're the diamond.
Oh no!
Come to me. We need to win a game together. Look. Wait, come over here. I need to take a screenshot.
Oh yeah. Wait, stand to make sure you're me.
Hold on, stand next to me. Otherwise I'm not going to have time to take the picture.
I'm standing next to you. Get out the way!
Wait, hold on. Oh no! Record. Really? We'll do it next time. Yeah? Okay, whatever. Oh, this is super cute! Oh. You ruined it! I was gonna take a blooming screenshot, you rude ass. Ah! I'm dying! I'm dead. Die! So we can take a blooming screenshot.
Oh god. What? It didn't touch me!
Just come on. Okay guys, so I'm just waiting for my twin. Okay. And she's here. I'm gonna have a man's hand in the way.
No! What? No! I lost connection.
Move, I'm trying to tell him.
I lost connection.
Join. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For God's sake, I'm trying to take a blooming picture and everyone keeps ruining it. I'll win this for us. A pile of poop balls coming. A poop ball's coming. Ah, there's a red wall coming. The same blood ball then.
People.
No, skin ball.
Well, matches your skin, but it doesn't match mine.
Oh god, I've gone the hard way. Oh no, I haven't. I'm alright.
Oh no, I died.
I'm winning! I'm gonna win for this. I'm gonna win this for us, twin.
You better.
Move!
You died.
No! I didn't even touch it!
Yes, you did. You genuinely were just right.
Okay, come.
Good to talk.
He needs to move. Move. Rude. Okay, let's just do it over here. Wait, let's do it over here. Stand next to me and we can take a massive picture. Take a screenshot. Yay!
This game started.
We've got to win this for each other. Yeah, that's how you're supposed to say. I've got to run for my life. Run for your life. Run for your life.
I don't wanna live forever.
Yes, I do that. Someone just glitched through the wall. I'm like, who the hell? Mum, I'm videoing again. Okay, whatever. I'm not swinging on the bum chair. I'm not swinging on the chair. Okay, guys, so sorry about that. That was my mom. She was butting during a video, but whatever. So, I mean, this is me.
What you doing?
I'm really cheesy.
What you saying? What you saying? What you saying? I can't hear you. Can't hear you.
Oh, sorry.
Did you restart the video?
No.
Okay, good.
I just told him.
How did you die?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't quite understand why I have just died. I don't wanna live forever. I just want to be cool when the night till you come back home. Till you come back home.
My twin is so athletic. She's the littlest twin, but most of us athletic. I'm trying to take a picture on my own. Okay. Let's just take it over here. This is perfect.
What you doing? Yeah.
Don't get in my way.
Why?
I'm taking a photo of me.
Why can I be in the photo?
Okay, stand on my head.
Okay.
But after you need to get off. Okay, you ready?
Wait. No!
Oh, I got one when the game started. I'll start. We're both athletic. We have to follow each other and follow each other's hearts. And both live till we both die.
Oh my god, there's a ball coming at me.
A mustard wall. It's called a snot mustard wall.
Oh, here's a mustard ball.
Oh no, I'm dead.
Oh, mate, you're not meant to be dead yet, mate. Mate, why are you dead?
What do you mean, mate?
Mate.
What do you mean, mate?
Come on, mate, you're not meant to be dead. The hell? What the hell? You just glitched through that wall then. But I was hoping to dive in, but I didn't. This is amazing.
I just took a screenshot of myself. We need to do the one.
There.
We need to do one with you on my head again.
Yes. I love the headshots.
Okay, hang on. Let's record her.
I'm alive.
A cola wall's after you. Another cola
There's 100
wall.
balls after me.
Now there's a Coke wall after you.
No, red. You colorblind. Get ballers.
Yeah. Oh god, there's two balls coming at you at the same time.
Oh god!
You glitched.
No, I didn't.
You did. It glitched.
I got 20 and I'm right there.
Oh my god, is this going to be your first win? No, we have to win together.
Oh god, I'm gonna die. Wait, no, no. I did that.
You're so athletic. Guys, I don't know if you're seeing this, but what? You're dead.
Oh my god, I survived till the end.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you got killed. There was 5 seconds left.
No, there was 1 second left and I survived till the end.
Yeah, but you didn't actually complete it. It lasts till 0 seconds. You was 1 second off.
No, it said victory. No, I won.
Oh, cool. Okay. Okay, we need a screenshot. Okay.
Of you on my head. I mean, me on your head. There we go, head.
Hold on.
Oh, something.
Quick. No, we're not going to do it in time.
No.
Because you took so long during the game. I'm joking.
Well, at least I won the whole game.
Hey, but we have to win together. Mustard face.
Well, at least I won.
Well, at least we have to win together this time.
Well, you lose and I win again.
No.
What if I do this? Oh crap, I'm gonna die. I'm dead.
I made it, but for some reason it killed me. It
Oh, I did.
killed
For some
me.
reason it killed me.
Guys, I'm not even joking. Did you actually see that? I'm like, not a joke. How come I'm still on level 1? Head screenshot. Stay there for the first one. Okay. Ready? Then next one's up above on the wall here. You need to take another one with me. Stand on the wall.
I am.
Okay. Take a screenshot. Oh, game over. We need to retake that one. Don't move. Ready? Okay. Right, stand next to me. Okay. Now we both stand on the wall. Next to me.
I am. You're taking up all the space that I can't get next to you.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Screenshot. Guys, we did it in time. Okay, guys, so I feel like this is going to be the last round with YouTube.
Oh my god, we're gonna die. Come on.
Look at that, guys.
Why do you want to be slow?
Okay. I need you in my outro. You need to die for my outro. Skills here. There's a lot of skills in her brain. Hello.
I just glitched. I died.
Okay, guys. So I'm sorry, but we've got to end it there.
Yeah, she's got to end it there.
Over here.
Oh, well,
Wait, no, we've got to stand in the hole.
oh my god. So sad. Okay, bye guys.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye guys.
Wait, stand next to me. Bye, guys.